Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to clean up your Safari browser by closing all your open tabs at once? Today I will show you how to delete all tabs on your iPhone quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Safari app on your iPhone. Then you tap and hold the tap button, which looks like two overlaying squares located at the bottom right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with an option to close all the tabs open. Tap on this option. A confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Close all tabs to confirm. And that's it, guys. You successfully closed all tabs in Safari on your iPhone, giving your browser a fresh start. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, subscribe for more quick tips. And I'll see you next time. Bye.